Just pulled up to the Colorado Harvest Company. It is snowing pretty hard. Hopefully it's warm in there for the mural. All right, now I got everything taped. It's time to paint. Bunch of the finishing touches, then you got to clean up, peel all the tape, get all the plastic, make sure you're not leaving anything not touched up and finalized. Thought it looked pretty awesome. I hope you guys dug the video. Appreciate all the help and support. Please like and subscribe if you can. Share this video with a buddy if you get the chance to. If you have any mural questions, hit me up. Would love to help. I look forward to another video here in the coming weeks. Make sure and check out @RoyalStain on Instagram and royalstain.com. Thanks again for watching.